right there, man. Beautiful. Tahoe on the 30-inch gold. Azars. Yeah, with the candy green on there, that deep green. Got the satellite dish on there. You see that for the throwback boys out there, coast to coast? That gold, 30s. You know he's got a big system in there. Got the satellite dish on there. Got the Cadillac taillights in the back. Yeah, y'all don't know, you know. If you don't know, now you know. There you go, man. 30s, man. There you go. Little leveling kit action on there. Sitting right. Sitting perfect. Yes, sir. Go, man. Beautiful Tahoe, completely different. You know what I'm saying? Dude stayed in his lane, got the Ruchis with the rose gold accent, flip-flop paint. I'm telling you, man, with the floating cap. You guys see this guy's motor? Oh my God. Sounds like a dunk coming down the street. Definitely got a nasty cam in it. Coast to coast, always doing something different, man. Beautiful truck, man. Appreciate you, fam.
Thanks, bro. Y'all have a good one.
Yeah. guys. Something different, something new. Amazing. Woo! Got that Volkswagen. On the 26-inch ECL gold Ford Giados with the gold accents, the purple on there. I'm telling you guys, man, stay in your lane, do something different, be creative, super creative. My man's creativity came out on this bad boy right there. Looks good. Love it. Keeping people different, keeping people unique. Let's go. That's it, man. 6 is on there, looking fresh. You know what time it is. Time for a donk, man. Vert, drop top, summertime. Got the gold D's on her. Real D's, guys. There you go. You know what time it is. Got the big brakes on there. Nice car. Got the yellow guts, the banana insides. Woo! Canary yellow, baby. Skirts are gonna go on there. Coast to coast. You know what time it is. Woo! I'm telling you guys, y'all gotta step it up, man. OG, man. Super clean box Chevy over here. I'm telling you, so clean, all original, on the 6s. You see it, pay attention, look close. Y'all gotta step it up, man. Pay attention, read it. Y'all wish you go back in time, don't you? Rain or shine, we're out here, coast to coast, back at it again with the rolls on the 26-inch Ford Giados, two-tone, sexy. Yeah, she's clean, big boy. What's going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and back at it again. We got Ford Giados spinners. They come in 24s, they come in 26s, and they come in 28s out there. I'm letting everybody know. Listen, helicopters are out here, choppers are out here, wheels are happening, deals are happening, making it happen out here. Coast to Coast Customs, always something new on the plate, new style, just hit, baby. Peace.